Hey everybody, welcome to Creative by Nature, Art and Life. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you, so let's get right into it. They had their lock top snack containers in these really pretty colors. It's this nice soft pink and teal and gray. So I got these so I can use them in my craft room for storage. All right, I passed on this last time and I'm like, you know what? I think I need to get this. So I grabbed it, and when I got home, I noticed it had a dent. I don't know if the dent was already there or if it was there when I came home. Like, I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to just make do with it though. It's going to drive me nuts. I know it is. I'm going to see if I can, maybe if I warmed it up with some hot water, I can maybe bump it out a little bit. I don't know. If anybody has experienced this before, let me know down below what I can do to fix indents in this plastic. But wasn't this fun? And this piece comes off as well. So you can do all kinds of really cool things with this. So I can't wait to play around with that. And then they had some new crushed glass. I got the 2 shades of green. I thought that will be really fun to play with. That, you know, this would be great for a fairy garden or a gnome garden. I grabbed a bag of this really pretty decorative shred. It's got a really kind of like an antique cream color with this really, really pretty metallic pink. And then I grabbed these ladybug gems. I thought these would be really fun to use for spring and summer decor. All right, grab these succulents. Aren't these pretty? I haven't seen these ones before. I just really liked how they were like a nice soft color. So I grabbed the 3, add to my collection of Dollar Tree succulents. I grabbed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these bags of coins. And it's the Waterbridge Belgian chocolate. I've got a project coming up in mind for these. But once I'm done using these, of course, they're going to be delicious to eat. And they've got loonies and toonies in there. So those are Canadian coins. And look at these cute spatulas. There's strawberries, cherries, and lemon lime. I thought these were just so cute. I got these for my kids. I'm trying to be very, very selective on what stickers I grab because I have not been using them lately. Shame, shame. Anyways, so I just grabbed this. They had some other ones, but this one was my favorite one. I love the bike and I love the little cloche and the bouquet of pansies. I just thought the whole thing was really pretty. And then I needed to stock up on magnetic sheets. I still had like 2 left in my stash. But Dollar Tree doesn't always have these, and I really like these ones, the craft medley. I love these ones the best. They are very, very strong magnets, so grabbed 4 of those. I haven't seen anybody haul these yet. Aren't they pretty? They're felt coasters, but I think these would be so pretty for DIY. So I just got 2 of the light teal, and then I got 2 of the darker teal. And then this one here is again felt, but they're little daisies and it's a garland. So I grabbed just 1 of those. They had these in a pink and a purple as well. In, I believe it was a different style though. Anyways, I just like these 2. I needed to replace a floral foam round that I used for a recent project over on my other channel. So I grabbed 1 of those. Also found these precision scissors. Thought I'd give these ones a try. I thought they felt pretty good. Crafter's Square. So from the decorative section, I found this. I love it. I love it. I'm not going to do anything to it except for maybe decorate the outside, but I love the cactus. So this is not going to get changed inside one bit. I love that so much. So I was pretty excited about that. They had other styles, but I just grabbed the one because I still had some from last year. found this really cute butterfly. Now, I think the color is really pretty as is, but there is a technique that I like to do where I mix baking soda and craft paint together, so I thought I would give it a whirl on this. And same thing with this vase. I thought it was so cool. I love the colors, but these will not go in my home, so I'm going to try that painting technique on that as well. Okay, and then I found some florals. I thought I would grab a couple of these kind of off-white hydrangeas. I like to paint these or spray paint them, so I thought the off-white would be perfect for that. And then I love blossom branches. I think these are so pretty, so I grabbed them because, yeah, I don't know. I'm sure I'll find something to do with those. So let me know about some of the fun things that you've been finding in your Dollar Tree lately. I want to thank you so much for being here today. I hope you're all doing well. We'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.